to buy it. Number 2 is ANYCUBIC Photon Max Resin 3D Printer. If you're a collector or enthusiast of action figures, you know how important it is to have a high-quality 3D printer to bring your favorite characters to life. That's where the ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max Resin 3D Printer comes in. With its impressive print volume of 13.0 inches by 11.7 inches by 6.5 inches, you can easily create larger models or print multiple figures simultaneously. And thanks to its 7K UV LCD screen with a resolution of 6480 by 3600 pixels, your models will have sharper details and a higher success rate. The oversized 13.6-inch LCD screen allows you to create quickly, and the protective film helps prevent scratches and leaks. Plus, with a fast printing speed of up to 60 mm per hour and powerful matrix LED lamp beads, you can create high-quality action figures quickly. And the automatic resin feeding feature makes filling and stopping the resin intelligently easy. The ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max Resin 3D Printer is perfect for action figure enthusiasts who want a reliable, efficient, high-quality 3D printing experience. If you are interested in the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it. Number 3